All right, guys, we're gonna review daily homework page number 139. So we're gonna start off with this adding question. It's 36.5 plus 24.5. I'm just going to look at this kind of in a line. So I know that kind of the count forward strategy. So I know 30 and 20 is 50, and I know that 6 and 4 is 10, and then I know 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. So if I look at this question, I have 50, 10, and 1, which is 61. My next question is 96 divided by 6. Well, if I think to myself, how many 6s does it take to make 96? I know it's going to be more than 10, because 10 times 6 is 60, which would leave me with 36 left over. And I know that 6 times 6 is 36. So together that means it's going to be 16 times 6 to get to 96. So 96 divided by 6 is 16. Number 3 is that patterns. And if you look from 1 to 9, that's adding 8. And from 9 to 17, I'm adding 8. And from 17 to 25, I'm adding 8. So I'm going to look to get halfway between those in order to get the pattern. Well, half of 8 is 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13, and 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21, and 21 plus 4 is 25. So my missing numbers are 5, 13, and 21. The expanded form of this number 8209 is looking at the value of the individual digits. So the 8 is 8,000. The 2 is 200. The 0 is just 0, and when we add 0, it doesn't change anything, so we actually don't even have to add it into here. But then the 9 is just worth 9. So 8,000 plus 200 plus 9 is our expanded form of 8,209. Last question we have is a mental math square. So when I look at this question here, I want to add them all together. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look over here at this 24 plus 6. And I know 4 plus 6 is 10. So 24 plus 6 would be 30. So then I'm going to jump over here. I'm going to say, well, 30 plus 10 is 40. And then I have 25 on top of 40. So 40 plus 20 is 60. And then another 5 makes 65. All right, guys. Don't forget to do your Lexia practice and write down what you read and what you learned. All right, thanks, guys. Have a good rest of your day.